Samosa, it's Indian traditional food.
In Africa
Samosa.
have same, but nobody know what inside.
Uh, 10 baht. It's about 15 peso in Philippine money.
I want to try one. Yeah.
This is spicy maybe. Spicy?
Like with lemon.